Yeah, this is Glenn with Phoenix, and we're talking about how to sweat copper pipes. It's an art. I'll tell you, it's a real difficult thing to do, but this is basically the general principle of how it's done. So what's the trick to sweating on a copper fitting?
Heat.
Get it up.
Basically, you clean the pipe, sand it, then you put flux on it and stick it together, and basically you apply heat to basically you just wait till it gets hot enough and apply the solder, and the solder sucks right on in.
What if there's water in the pipe? How do you get the water out?
You can't do it. If there's water in the pipe, you're gonna have to shut the system down and basically drain it down.
Is there any tricks like putting bread in there to try to get
I've heard it, and I've tried it, and I've been unsuccessful with that method. But
do you have any ideas?
From what I understand, some people have gotten lucky on it, but it does not work.
What do you do when you get into those problems? 'Cause I've had trouble with, I've had water in pipes that I just couldn't get a good seal on my joint.
Well, basically, what you do is, what you should do if you got a case where, like, say, the water may be trapped.
Yeah.
What you do is look for like a stop or something that you can take loose, or some way you can gain access to it, and take an air compressor and an air chuck and just blow it out.
Blow it out. And then when you do a new work like this, how are you convinced that that pipe's not going to leak?
When you turn the water on.
And then you can check it all out at that point.
Yeah.
And what's your success rate on
I don't have anything. You know,
lot of fittings here.
Some other folk may.